Today's topic of discussion is perfectly competitive firms. The characteristics of a perfectly competitive firm is that there are many small firms with identical products, and they have low barriers of entry, and the sellers are price takers, meaning they have no control over the price. A good example of this is the fruit industry. There are many sellers of fruit, and fruit is an identical product among all firms. The low barriers of entry means that anyone is free to enter the market, or they are also free to exit the market when they see fit. Because these firms are price takers, they are not able to raise their price from the market price. The goal of every business is to maximize profit.
Look at the flick of that wrist. 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 Look at the flick of that wrist.
The profit maximizing rule is marginal cost equals marginal revenue. Now, because this firm is a price taker, we have the shutdown rule. This states that a firm should continue to produce as long as the price is above the average variable cost. When the price falls below average variable cost, then the firm should minimize its losses by shutting down. If the price is below average variable cost, the firm is losing more money by producing than they would have to pay to shut down. To simplify this situation, we would use the equation P less than ABC equals shutdown. Now this firm right here would shut down because the price is $5, but the average variable cost is above $5. Now, a good way to remember where a perfectly competitive firm will produce is the term Mr. DARP. Mr. DARP stands for marginal revenue equals demand equals average revenue equals price. Now, this firm will produce at $5. One thing you should notice is that ATC is at its lowest at the quantity the firm will produce at $5. This is because this is the profit maximizing quantity for this firm. This is because ATC is at its lowest, meaning they will make more money because they have to take away less cost. Now look at these two graphs side by side. One is the market and one is the firm. I would like you to tell me at what price will the firm sell its output, and also what is the market equilibrium. Here's a hint. Use the market graph to figure out the price, and use the firm graph to figure out the quantity. Time's up. The price that the firm will sell its output is $4. You can tell this by the horizontal dotted line that goes from the market graph to the firm graph. The market equilibrium price is $4. The firm is a price taker, so its price will be $4 for its output. Now the equilibrium quantity for the market will be 40 units. You can tell this by looking at the firm graph, where MR equals D equals average revenue equals P, the quantity being produced will be 40 units. This will be the market equilibrium quantity that the perfectly competitive market will produce at. Well, that is your microeconomic lesson of the day. Thank you for watching, and please let me know if you learned anything.